Hey guys, it's Miss Hartberger. I just want to make a quick little Flipgrid instructional video because some people said they were having a hard time. Now I know on Chrome things look a little different, but there is an app for Flipgrid for your phone or for your iPad, and there may be an app for Chromebook. I'm not sure. So after you log in with your student email, if you go to the classroom, which is flipgrid.com/Hartberger, you can see everything. Got a birthday for me. Every topic is from here. So if you're like, oh, I don't know the code for that, put Hartberger in and you can find it. Okay. So let's go down to one cell phone holder. I have not made a hey video. So I'm going to design a cell phone holder. So I could come down here and I could make a response. I'm just going to click the button, make a video. Hey guys, it's Miss Hartberger. So our mini challenge of today is to use supplies you have at home, Legos, etc., and make a cell phone holder. You can make it for your desk, for the car, for your bike, for your belt, whatever. But can't wait to see what you do. Thanks. And then you can add your little stuff and take a selfie. I'm gonna put an avatar over top of it. I'm gonna put a sticker. I'm gonna do this one because I like it. I'm gonna make it big to cover my crazy face I made. I'm gonna click next. It's gonna save it for me. I'm gonna change my name. Ox is really good at this because his name doesn't come up as that. These are your directions for the challenge. I'm gonna click submit video. Okay, now right here is where you could, I like my picture. Click download selfie or download video, or there's a direct link to your video. So if you want to put on Canvas your video, you don't have to download it. You could click right here and get that link and turn that in, and then I can click right on it in Canvas, come over here and do everything kind of integrated together. I like this better than when I just tried to do it in Canvas directly because it didn't save it right. So I'm going to click complete. And it'll be there next time I open it. Now, if you watched, I was on the news and showed everyone in our classroom, and I had what are you up to at home for them because we're just trying to engage everybody. So if you all can make some more videos, so when people from school watch the news and come check our stuff out, they got stuff to see. But again, it's flipgrid.com/Hartberger. It's on, let me show you. It's right on the front of the classroom. I click home on the classroom. There's a button right at the top. Oops. There's a button right at the top underneath the pretty pink image. And I hope you like my new Bitmoji classroom because I'm trying to make it just easier to follow. If I click right here, it's going to take me right to Flipgrid. You log in with your student email, ready to go. Okay. If your parents or something want to see it, just log in as your email because I kind of have to secure it because it's got your videos on it. But any questions, remember, you can just send me a message. And I love you and I miss you. And that's all for now.